Sometimes your mobile is not ringing despite of you're getting a call on your mobile. How to set or how to fix this condition we are going to see in this video. If your phone is not ringing or ringing but you're not getting the volume, and immediately you are getting to this top right corner here on the Samsung or any Android phone, you'll get the settings icon. Tap it on. Upon tap it, you will be getting into this menu section of your phone, and in this one clearly there is an option for sounds and vibration. Just tap it on that one. Upon tapping, you will be getting several options here under this sounds and vibration, and straight away if you observe, the volume is the option given here. Just tap on this volume. Upon tapping, you will get again so many things here: ringtone, media, notifications, everything is mentioned here. Since it is related to the ringtone, which you're not able to get whenever you get the call, you try to drag it to the next level. It is in the minimum now, that's why you're not getting. But if you're doing like this, it is not making any sense. It is going back. On some of the Androids this happen, and some of the Androids you can straight away increase it. But for which reason it is going back, I'll let you know in just seconds time. If you observe, I'm not able to make any sense here. The ringtone is not increased. That means my call would be again not making any sound. If I'm going back on the home page, I don't get anything here. Just scroll down like this. Under this menu option, upon scrolling down, you'll get all these menu option here. Here, if you observe, my phone is kept under do not disturb mode. If some of the Android mobiles are kept under do not disturb mode, in this condition, the ringtone volume cannot be increased for any reason on some of the Android or some of the updated or new version of Samsung phones. See, if I take it down, like I have disabled this do not disturb. Now I'll go through this settings button again. After going there, yes, I told you sounds and vibration, go there. Under the sounds and vibration, go to volume, and the volume ringtone. Now see, this has come to the upper level or maximum level. I can adjust it like anything here on my mobile. See, this is the way how you can improve your ringtone volume. And if you're not getting any sound while the call, this is the how reason, this is the way how to fix your mobile. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe the channel, like it, share the video.